Hi everyone, welcome back to the Frugal Watchbox channel for another edition of new watch unboxings. Today we will be unveiling one of Casio's popular retro classic digital watches. I have been eyeing this watch for a long time, and to my luck, it had a significant price cut, allowing me to get it for just $15. Let's open the package and see what's inside. There is a box wrapped in thick bubble wrap. Let's cut the wrapping and reveal the watch inside. No damage to the box except for some minor dents here and there. Let's open the box now. First, we are met with the dealer's warranty certificate. There's nothing else inside the box, as it seems the user manual is packed together with the watch. Now, we can see the watch inside the plastic package. Let's cut this package and see the watch. So, we will leave the watch safely on the desk and go through the documentation first. This is the user guide for module numbers 587, 590, 593, 596, and 1271. We also have the International Guarantee Certificate in the same booklet. Here is the warranty certificate from the dealer. I have made many repeat orders from this dealer, a reliable place to buy your watches. So here is the star of the show, the iconic retro Casio A158. Let's remove the watch tag to see the complete model number. There we are, the Casio digital watch A158WA-1DF. Let's remove the screen protective sticker. Wow, at last I own this watch. I really love it. Let's discuss the watch case and display panel. On the right side of the resin glass, we have a single stainless steel button to control start, stop, and 12 to 24-hour format, with a red bar at the end. On the left, we have double buttons to control light/lap/reset for the top button and mode for the lower button. The case is chrome-plated resin but resembles real stainless steel. On top of the panel is the Casio brand and alarm chrono imprint. At the lower right is the lithium imprint. Let me just set the watch so we can see more details on the screen. Okay, so on the right is the date followed by the day, and two small indicators for alarm and hourly signal. At the bottom in larger digits are the hour, minute, and second displays. At the extreme bottom of the display is the water resist and WR imprint. This watch is rated for about 30 meters of water resistance. The bracelet is stainless steel and of acceptable quality given the price point. It has an adjustable clasp with a Casio logo on it. As you can see, the links are folded but have the appearance of solid links. I am more than satisfied with the bracelet compared to the one offered by Skmei. The caseback is stainless steel and imprinted with the Casio logo, module and model numbers, and a few other details. Let's discuss the dimensions of this classic watch. The case size is 33.2 millimeters. With a lug-to-lug distance of about 36.8 millimeters. A thickness of about 8.2 millimeters. A lug width of about 18 millimeters. And a weight of about 46 g. This is indeed a thin and extremely light classic design watch. The watch also boasts some interesting features such as a 1/100 stopwatch, green LED micro light, 30 meters of water resistance, auto calendar, alarms, a square face, and a battery life of up to 7 years on CR 2016. Let's compare this watch with other popular models. The Casio A158, the classic super slim A700W, and finally, the most popular watch of all time, the Casio F91W. Let's try this 33.2 millimeters case on my slim 6.5-inch wrist. Just right, not bad at all. I really love this watch and its versatile size. Feels super light, as if you are not wearing a watch at all. Let us see the green LED light of this watch and compare it with the others. This is the amber light from the A700W, the green from the F91W, and the blue from the A158. That's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found the video useful, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button. See you again in the next video. Bye for now.